Alright guys, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to navigate the ClickFunnels dashboard. This is a brand new account, just created it for this module and for the upcoming modules, so you can kind of follow along inside of your own account. This is the main dashboard here, and this is what you're going to see every time you log into ClickFunnels. You'll have access to all of the stuff you need right on this page, as well as up in these tabs. Over here you can see your name and kind of what level you are. ClickFunnels assigns different levels based on how often you build funnels and do all sorts of other things here. So it's pretty cool. You can also earn rewards or awards by playing the ClickFunnels game. Now the ClickFunnels game is pretty basic, but it does walk you through some important things that you're going to need to know with ClickFunnels. We'll talk about more of that inside some other lessons as well, but I would definitely take a look at this and play the ClickFunnels game so you can kind of get a better understanding for how everything works and how the software works. Down here you can see your affiliate earnings. In a different lesson, I will talk about how to actually become a ClickFunnels affiliate and where you can find all those tools, but you'll see that there as well as any earnings in those last 30 days. As you keep scrolling down here on the left, you'll see the programs that you have access to. So if you purchased any of the Funnel Builder Secrets packages, Funnel Hacks package, anything like that, you'll see all that access stuff right here. And then down here, you'll also see what you currently have access to. If you're on the 97 a month plan, you'll see ClickFunnels here, but you'll see Backpack and Actionetics grayed out. You'll have to upgrade in order to have access to the Backpack and Actionetics programs. If you have the 297 account, then you'll see all these here. And if you'd like, you can upgrade to Actionetics MD. If you're watching this a little bit later, you might already have Actionetics MD, so just disregard that. As we come up, you can see in the middle your priority list. Your priority list is really important to follow along with because it walks you through all the different stuff for you to be successful with ClickFunnels. Number one, you get a free Funnel Hacker t-shirt. Now this actually does not usually ship out until after your 14-day trial has passed and you've been charged for your first month. So just keep that in mind that it's not going to probably show up for at least a couple weeks. If it's been longer than say a month and a half, I would definitely reach out to billing support and just let them know that you still haven't received your t-shirt. But again guys, it's free. So you really shouldn't be too worried about when it's going to come because it will show up. They're also really comfortable. So definitely make sure to claim your free Funnel Hacker t-shirt. Here's where you can go ahead and create your first funnel. And again, I'll cover this in another section here, but just so you know what that is, you can hide any of these as well. You can hit dismiss. Just know that if you dismiss them, they're not going to show back up on your feed ever. You can go into a priority list here. It's a little checklist. Now this right here, you'll probably see, this is the One Funnel Away challenge. This is something new that ClickFunnels has launched recently, and it's an incredible challenge. Basically what it is it's live coaching and accountability for 30 days straight that you get from Russell Brunson, Stephen Larson, and Julia Stoian. And basically what they do is they walk you through day by day, they basically hold you by the hand to launch your first or next funnel for your business. You learn how to create an offer, how to sell that offer, how to hook people, everything you need to know to be successful with sales funnels. You are taught in this One Funnel Away challenge. And it's $100 to join, and I highly recommend it. It's way more valuable than $100. You won't regret it. You can just hit the Join Challenge Now button, and it'll take you to the sign up page. Here's where you can set up your first payment gateway. If you want to use Stripe, that's one of the easiest to set up. Works really well with ClickFunnels. I would say the majority of ClickFunnels members probably use Stripe for their payment processor. Now, as we keep scrolling down, you'll see the Funnel Builder Secrets Lite training. Now, this is different from the Funnel Builder Secrets package, the higher package that ClickFunnels sells. Funnel Builder Secrets Lite is kind of how to build and launch your first funnel. So it's kind of like a mini course. I know I'm going through a lot of this stuff already with you in this power course, but I would definitely take a look at the Funnel Builder Secrets. It's free. You just go ahead and sign in with your existing ClickFunnels information, and you'll get some stuff from Russell and from the rest of the members of ClickFunnels. So go ahead and take a look at that. Again, this is just a checklist, so you can kind of just follow along with it. Here's where you can set up email sending. This would show if you go set up email sending, if you want to use a third party, or if you want to use the internal. If you have the 297, you can use Actionetics. Personally, I use Actionetics, and I will cover more of this in a later module for you guys. Right here, we do have the funnel hacks training, the weird niche funnel that's currently making me $17,947 per day. So what this is the Funnel Hacks Masterclass presentation by Russell. I think the web class is about an hour long. Watch it. It's awesome. At the end, he'll make you an offer. if you don't already have one of the higher like packages, the 6 months or the 12-month package, you can save a lot of money by upgrading to the Funnel Hacks package or the Funnel Builder Secrets package. Instead of paying monthly, you just pay one flat out cost. For example, the Funnel Hacks package is, at the time of this video, $9.97, and you get 6 months full access to the full $297 a month plan. So $297 times 6, well, I'm terrible at math, but that's more than $9.97, right guys? Plus you get all this extra training. So you can watch that there. As we keep scrolling down, this may or may not be available on your dashboard at the time of you viewing this. This is just mentioning Funnel Hacking Live, which is actually currently going on as I record this video. Funnel Hacking Live is basically their conference every year where they have awesome speakers like Tony Robbins has been there, Dean Graziosi, you name it, all the big shots are there. Definitely recommend going to Funnel Hacking Live because it will change your life, guys. So you can reserve tickets there if you see that. Down here it talks about creating a follow-up funnel through Actionetics. If you have access to that, you can go through that process as well. Again, covered in a later module here in the Power Course. And then down here at the bottom, it talks more about the affiliate program and how you can earn money promoting ClickFunnels. So you can go in through the affiliate bootcamp training. But again, guys, that's just kind of the basics of the dashboard. And then the last but not least, over here on the right-hand side, you can see a breakdown of all your funnels. For the last 7 days and last 30 days, you can see the revenue, purchases made, opt-ins, page views. Obviously, this is a brand new account, so there's no funnels in the account yet, but you can select your funnel. You can also hit the visit funnel if we're on a specific funnel to find it easier and get a nice little breakdown here. So that's the basics of the ClickFunnels main dashboard. Make sure to take a look at the other modules. See you in the next lesson.